Taxes. We all love them, right? Said no one ever. But here's a secret most people don't realize. You're probably leaving money on the table every single year. Yep, that's right. The IRS gives you breaks, little loopholes disguised as deductions that shrink your taxable income, and most people never use them. Today, we're going to fix that. Think of a deduction like a coupon for the IRS. It doesn't reduce your bill dollar for dollar, but it reduces the amount of income the government can tax. For example, if you earn $60,000 and have $5,000 in deductions, the IRS only taxes $55,000. Not bad for a piece of paperwork. A. Student loan interest. If you're paying off student loans, congratulations! You can deduct up to $2,500 in interest even if someone else is technically claiming you. B. Medical expenses. This one is tricky, but powerful. If your medical expenses exceed 7.5% of your income, you can deduct the excess. Yes, that includes dental, prescriptions, and even some special equipment. Home office. Working from home? You might qualify. Deduct a portion of rent, utilities, or even office supplies. No, your kitchen table doesn't count if you just check emails occasionally. Sorry. Charitable contributions. Donated clothes, cash, or even canned food drives can reduce your taxable income. Keep receipts. It's the closest thing to making the world better and saving money simultaneously. Retirement contributions. Your 401k or traditional IRA contributions count here too. They reduce taxable income today while boosting your future self's wealth. Basically a two-for-one deal. Job hunting costs. Looking for work in your current field? Some expenses are deductible. Resume services, travel for interviews, and certain certifications. Note, doesn't work if you're changing careers. The IRS is picky. Education expenses. Not all school expenses disappear into the abyss. The lifetime learning credit and certain tuition costs can qualify for deductions. Even if you're just brushing up skills to get a raise, the IRS can chip in. State taxes and property taxes. You can deduct what you paid to state and local governments. Yes, all that money you spent on car registration, property tax, or state income taxes adds up. Business expenses. Side hustle, freelance, small business, equipment, software, subscriptions, and even your phone bill, proportionally, can reduce taxable income. Deductions aren't just what you claim, they're when you claim them. Pay attention to deadlines and qualifying expenses within the year. For example, donate before December 31st to count this year. Pay deductible medical bills in the same year to maximize benefit. Small timing tweaks equal extra cash in your pocket. Mileage, union dues, professional licenses, and even tax preparation fees. Each one might only save a few $100, but hundreds become thousands when stacked together. The IRS doesn't call them miscellaneous for nothing. They're often ignored, and that's where your advantage lies. Here's the boring but crucial part. Keep receipts, invoices, and statements. Organize them by category, because when the IRS asks for proof, guess who doesn't get audited for missing deductions? You! Digital tools, envelopes, spreadsheets, whatever works. Your future self will thank you and probably send a tiny mental fist bump. Some deductions are simple, others not so much. If your taxes start looking like a calculus exam, consider a professional. A CPA can identify deductions you didn't even know existed. Think of it as investing in your peace of mind and potentially hundreds or thousands of dollars. Missing deductions is like throwing free money into a fire. The system is complicated, yes, but the tools exist to reduce your taxable income. Even small deductions add up. If you systematically claim what you're entitled to, you keep more money in your pocket and stress less during tax season. So next time you sit down with your forms, don't just sigh and hope for the best. Check for deductions, check twice, and don't leave money on the table. Hit like if this helped you find some hidden cash. Subscribe for more smart money moves. And remember, at Monarch Stick, every move counts toward your money crown.